Welcome back. It's tit for tat. The shoe is on the other foot and the kettle is calling the pot black. Whichever way you look at it, the Congress has got a chance to hit back and refuses to let go. After the very public hounding it received in Parliament last week, the latest WikiLeaks targeting the BJP this time has come as a relief for the Congress. A stunned BJP doesn't quite seem to know how to react.
It's a very serious question of public morality, or a question adverse to public morality which the Honourable Prime Minister has raised. Now, three of them who were offered decided to stand up.
Which will be rejected by
A very public confrontation on the floor of the House.
Saxena plus Hindustani plus...
Leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha not losing the chance to hit out at the government.
Serious question of public morality.
But a week later, the Congress has finally got its chance.
He's quoted in the cable that this is a talking point of the BJP, and Jaitley characterized it as opportunistic. Oh, this is all opportunistic. The quotation itself suggests. So they should first apologize to the nation.
BJP's top leadership has in fact admitted to the political bankruptcy of its ideology.
The most vocal leaders of the BJP chose not to hit back. A rather muted response coming from the party president.
देखो, कांग्रेस के बारे में उन्होंने सांसदों के नाम लिए और कितना पैसा दिया वो बताया स्पेसिफिकली। ये जो इंटरप्रिटेशन है हिंदुत्व का, एक तो पहली बात ऐसी है कि जो सुनने वाला अंग्रेजी में बात हुई है। मेरी अरुण जी से बात हुई है, उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने जो बोला ही नहीं है, उन्होंने उसका अर्थ निकाला।
The WikiLeaks bomb has stung the BJP this time. A cable from Robert Blake quoting Arun Jaitley, describing the Hindutva ideology as opportunistic. The shoe now on the other foot, but the BJP unlikely to let go of the cash for votes WikiLeaks bomb. Bureau Report, Times Now.